There's a certain category of tech that isn't trying to replace your main setup, but instead make your life easier in specific situations. That's exactly where this compact projector fits in. The KODAK Luma 150 focuses on mobility and simplicity, delivering a big screen feel in a very small footprint. The standout feature here is clearly the size. It's incredibly compact, small enough to fit in your pocket without any effort. That changes how you use a projector completely. Instead of planning around it, you just carry it with you and use it whenever the moment feels right. Whether it's sharing videos with friends, setting up a quick presentation, or watching something. On a larger screen while traveling, it's all about convenience. The build is minimal but practical. Everything is placed where it needs to be, with straightforward controls and accessible ports. HDMI, USB, and microSD support give you plenty of options, while wireless mirroring adds another layer of flexibility. You're not locked into one type of connection, which makes it much easier to use across different devices. When it comes to projection, the ability to scale up to 150 inches is impressive for something this small. In a controlled lighting environment, the image becomes much more engaging. It's not meant for bright rooms, but in dim settings, it creates a comfortable viewing experience that feels far bigger than the device itself. The resolution is 854 by 480, which keeps expectations in check. It's not about ultra-sharp visuals, but more about accessibility and ease of use. For casual watching, presentations, and general media playback, the quality is perfectly acceptable. It's one of those cases where the practicality outweighs the raw specs. Audio is handled by a built-in speaker, which works fine for basic use. It's clear enough for dialogue and small gatherings, but pairing it with an external speaker definitely improves the overall experience. The option is there and it's easy to set up. Battery performance supports the portable nature of the device. With around 2 hours of usage on a single charge, it's ideal for short sessions like a movie or a meeting. It's not designed for extended use without power, but that's not really its purpose. Navigation and setup are simple. There's no complicated system to learn, and everything feels intuitive. It's designed to be picked up and used instantly, which is exactly what you want from something like this. This type of projector isn't competing with full-scale home theater systems. It's designed for flexibility, quick access, and portability. And in that role, it performs really well. It's a smart choice for anyone who values convenience and wants a lightweight way to enjoy a bigger screen anywhere. If this kind of portable experience matches what you're looking for, it's definitely worth checking out. The link to get one is available in the description.